Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good afternoon, morning, or evening. Back again with me, Harun Fadhiilah, and previously I've given you IELTS listening tips and tricks. For this time, I will give you IELTS reading tips and tricks. Let's jump to the explanation. Okay, here are four IELTS reading tips and tricks. First, time management. Watch as you read. Don't take too long to repeat paragraph. Next, the second one is to highlight each keyword. Look carefully at each sentence in the question. Perhaps you will find the answer there. Third, click to continue the question. Don't get too hung up on the difficult question. Move on to the ones you find easy to do. Next, the last tips and tricks. Note every important thing. Immediately jot down any date, name, theory, or place you come across while reading a paragraph. Okay, we've come to the slide for the reading test from IELTS.com. There are already several paragraphs that we will read later. There will also be questions that must be answered after that. In this case, we are going to use the 4 tips and tricks described earlier. Alright, let's get started with the text.
2 hours later.
And we are finished. Next, we will work on the question. Don't forget the 4 tips and tricks. Here, there is one question completes the sentence, one true or false choice, and one name, date, or place question. We are going to first question. The vitamin Sophie is _based retailer of nutritional supplements. They also operate stores in under the name VitaPet. First, we must use tip number 4, which is to note down important things such as place name or dates. We will know the answer. As you can see, I've noted in this note. Okay, and for the first question, I will answer A, B, C. And for the next answer is that. Next, we enter into the second question. True or false if the vitamin Sophie has an above average salary, according to the review. To answer this question, we have to look at tip number 2, which is highlight each keyword. And the answer is true. And this is the last question. This type of question is multiple choice. Let's read the question together. What is the other name of the vitamin Sophie company? A. Vitamin Co. Ltd. B. VitaPet. C. Vitacimin. Or D. VitaGo. Which one is correct? If you use both tips, namely tips 2 and 4, you will find the answer. Yes, that's right. The answer is E. VitaPet. Okay, and now we will see if the answer filled out from the question above are correct or not. The first question, the answer is New Jersey and Canada. We will see the answer typed earlier. Yes, the correct answer is New Jersey and Canada. It's highlight text. The answer is very precise. Next, the answer to the second question is true. Let's see. The answer is correct. Yes, that's right. As highlight here, okay, time is above average. And next, for the last question, the correct answer is B. VitaPet. Yes, and the answer B2, okay, VitaPet. The answer is correct. So here are the highlights in text. Well, that's the IELTS reading tips and tricks this time. Thank you very much. Sorry if my English is still bad because I'm also still learning. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.